Alright guys, well, we're almost there. We're about 15 minutes from the kayak launch. It's pretty windy. It said it was going to be between 12 to 13 miles, but I think the gusts are about 18 to 20 miles. So we'll see what happens. We got about a good 2 hours of fishing. By the time I unload the kayak and put everything together, it'll be probably 2 hours of fishing. I want to hit up a little area where we're covered from the wind. That way we could speak. It's going to be blowing pretty hard, and hopefully we run into some reds in the back lakes. That's the main goal, and we're staying out here. I want to take advantage of the situation, and I'm going to stay close to where I can sleep safe. If not, there's always an HEB close by, and I'll sleep at the HEB parking lot. But we got a steak, some rice that we're gonna cook up while we launch the big rod. I bought the big rod, and hoping to catch some mullet right now. And I'll cut up some fresh mullet and launch it out there. Maybe hook up into a big black drum or redfish tonight. And stay tuned, and don't forget, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, guys. So let's head on the water. Alright guys, well, we're on the side of the road. I'm hungry. I haven't even made it to where we're gonna actually fish, and I'm gonna cook a steak and some rice. I threw out a rod, a big rod with some cut bait, and hopefully we'll catch something while we're cooking. But I'm starving, so got the old little camp grill here. You can see. See it? Yeah, right there. And we're gonna put the steak to cook, and hopefully the mosquitoes don't eat us. The bugs are not bad here. I like this spot. This time I brought a table. Man, the road's really noisy. I'm just on the side of the road next to a bridge. And it's pretty noisy. Got our skillet. I'm gonna warm it up. Alright guys, we got the pan smoking right there. Hell yeah. Now it's ready. We got our steak already seasoned in. Thank you, a little more prepared. I do have utensils, not like last time. And fresca, man. I'm so thirsty. Fresca is really good. Oh, really good. Okay. We're gonna hill and put the steak in. What? Nice ribeye. Oh, you hear it sizzling. That's what I wanted to hear. Yeah, make sure you season your steak right. Take that out. Yes, sir. Sizzling. And then next, I'm gonna put in the pan. I'm gonna do some rice. I'm gonna get it from the truck. Got this VT. It's Thai lemon and herb rice. Put it in the other pan, a little bit of oil, avocado oil, by the way. Warm it up. I am extremely hungry. I've not ate since I left work. That was, I don't know, maybe 2 o'clock in the afternoon when I got home. Last time we cooked, we didn't have utensils, but we have utensils now. Oh, look at that color on that steak. Ooh, cheese. It is beautiful. That's a nice sear to it. Look at that. Check that out. Hell yeah, we're gonna get the fatty part too. And that's rice. Looking pretty darn good. I'm extremely hungry, so I'm gonna devour that. While that cooks, I'm gonna have a little bit of watermelon. Put in a little Ziploc bag with some tahini, just for something refreshing. Oh yeah. It's a long day getting skunked. It's worth it. I think it's done. Get it out. Bon appetit. Kind of bland, but I'm hungry. Alright, eat it all. It's a big old plate. Check that out, guys. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Have me a good dinner. So hopefully there's no incidents this time, and we could actually get some Z's. If not, we'll end up at the parking lot again at HEB. But is get some more rice. A bit of lemony taste to it, not much, but man, being out here tired, burning calories, I need to replace calories. Whew. So got the good old knife. Let's cut up our steak. See how good it is. I think I overcooked it a little, but it's all right. Yeah. I did overcook it a little. You can see right there. I didn't even let it rest. I'm so hungry. Sorry, guys. Yeah, it's not that red in the middle. Soya or pink. I like it real pink. It's not that pink, but that'll do right there. Nice little crust on it. If y'all don't eat the fatty part of the steak, y'all are doing it wrong. More rice. I'm gonna eat all this rice. Oh man, really good. Oh, the best part of this place, there's no mosquito. That's crazy. I was getting eaten up right now. Oh, I'm gonna sleep good tonight. Oh yeah, look at that fatty part right there. It's amazing. Turn this. And it's all done. And I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna wash all the dishes. and pick up all the trash, and it's 10:50. 10:50. Damn, it's gonna be a late night. Hopefully I'll fall asleep by 1 and I'll probably be up by 5 again. But yeah, let's head on to our next destination. I'll load up everything. Still gotta load up the kayak. It's pretty loud here. So let me start washing it. We'll see you at the pier. Well guys, we got the truck stuck. Went through all this, and it's a 2-wheel drive. Sound better. Oh, there was another piece of wood there. So I used it. But this is the scene of the crime right there. Look at that. I had to dig it out. Put a piece of wood right there. And another one right there. But we were so close to the water. Like, the water's right there. I'm glad I got it out. It took me a while. A guy flashed the lights at me. I thought he was gonna come and help me. And he just kept on driving. I flashed him back and I honked. And he just kept on going. So, but we got her out. It's freaking 12 o'clock already. God darn it. It always happens to me. We got her out. Let's go.